welcome back. What do you need to say to people to get them back in the process with you? Let's say you had a deal, you had a first call, you had a follow-up, and they were online and everything was going good, and you thought that this deal is on track to closing. But then suddenly whatever happens and people stop responding to you. They will just avoid getting in contact with you. You send them the first message, second, third, fourth, doesn't matter. It seems like nothing is working, you can't get to them. You try sending messages to their boss, it doesn't work. How do you get the deal back on track? Very simple. You need to send one or two phrases that in most situations will give you a reply. The reason why the people are not responding to you, maybe you made the wrong assessment of the deal. Maybe that deal is unqualified. That's why you don't have a reply. But still, you want to get people to respond to you so you can understand. Like, do you need to focus more energy on them or not? So it's very simple. What I do in these use cases, I send them a variation of the phrase saying something like, "Hey John," or "Hey Mr. Prospect," or "Hey Mrs. Prospect, have you given up on this project?" This simple answer, and don't add anything else. You just let's say you have an email thread or you have your Telegram DMs, you just put this thing, "Hey, first name, have you given up on this project?" And that's it. You don't have to say anything else. You don't have to frame it another way. This phrase itself will be basically like a lockpick for any kind of complex deals. Or you can say something like, "Hey, first name, is this project no longer a priority?" Something like that. Very simple. The reason why this trick works is because you are framing the question that is a very simple yes-no question. What they need to do is just say yes-no. But let's say if they are not sure in continuing the project for you, have you given up on this project? If they say no, this means that they have to continue, they need to reply. If they say yes to you, this means that they are taking full responsibility on them. And people are not, like in general, people are not very good in taking responsibility over things. So it's going to be easier for them, instead of just saying you yes, goodbye, that's it. They'll give you more context. They will tell you, "Hey Nikolai, this is this and this got postponed, or I got sick or whatever." They will give you a reason why this should be postponed, or will they give you the reason why there has been this time of wait. And then we'll come back to you. And these deals, in 60% of cases, they just revise me a deal, and I can go and I can either close it or just mark it as close lost and move on and go to the other prospects. So I hope this video was helpful for you. There is even more, videos like this in the Web3 Sales Gym YouTube. So if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe right now. And we have a community for Web3 sales people and BDs that are interested to learn and grow together. If you want, the link for application is going to be below. Likes, subscribes, and see you. Bye.